Everybody, it's Siki here, and I'm coming to you guys with another video. And for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome to the other side of my room. How about that? Okay. And those of you guys that are like OGs and been here for a minute, I'm back over here right now. Gosh, I feel like I'm all up in your grill though. I feel like I'm like, hey, how you doing? So this is an empties video. So we're basically gonna go through my trash, okay? Look at this, it is full to capacity. The reason I do empties videos, and I think the reason we do them on YouTube period, is to let you guys know what we've been using. And the items that we are definitely gonna repurchase, we let you know in this video. The items that we do not plan on repurchasing, we let you know in this video. So let go. Yes, there's a couple, and I know that I've talked about this before. These are the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. It's fragrance free. I can't even say that. It's fragrance free and it's gentle skincare. It gently cleanses and conditions pores to maintain clear, smooth, and balanced skin without over drying. So I use this as a toner, and I have been using this as a toner ever since 2011 when I started my whole skincare journey after battling hormonal acne for like a year. And so I do have a skincare playlist where I go into more detail about like my whole skincare regimen, but I definitely repurchase these. Matter of fact, whenever they're on sale, I definitely stock up. I'd stock up if they're not on sale because this is a holy grail. That totally rhymed. Yes. Oh my gosh. I know that I've talked about this one, but this is good because a lot of times I get questions like, do you still use this? Do you still use that? So girl, I'm about to tell you. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Treatment Mask. And it is for natural, chemically processed, color treated, or heat styled hair. It has shea butter, peppermint, and keratin in it. I use this as a deep conditioner and I love this. This is like the best deep conditioner ever. I've not found anything to be as good as this as of yet. So yes, I will definitely repurchase this. I totally missed. Okay. Oh, look. There's like another witch hazel. And there is another deep conditioner. See, I told y'all, like this stuff, it's been months. It's been months. And then here is some agave oil treatment, healing oil. And this I use for my hair. There's two things that I use. Well, there's two ways that I use this on my hair. I have the revitalizing skin spray as well, which is pretty much like the oil. It's just in spray form or in a spray bottle. So I use this to put in my mixture that I use to spray my hair and refresh it, which I will link a video for that because I have a hair video all about that. And I also use it to spray on my bun to make it look all juicy. Okay, so this stuff is definitely, like I've been using this for a couple years too. The next on the list is BioTrue Contact Solution. This stuff is thebomb.com. A little side note about these contacts. I just started rocking a new pair of contacts. They are AccuView Oasis. Y'all, if you wear AccuView and you have not tried Oasis, it will change your life. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Side note over. Here's an item that I will definitely not repurchase. It's Yes to Cotton wipes. There are 25 wipes in here. And you guys, I don't know if you're familiar with Yes to Carrots, Yes to, what's the other, cucumbers? And they just came out with all these different ones. This one happens to be Yes to Cotton. And I did use them all because I'm not going to waste it. I think I got it at one of the events I went to and I used it all, but I used it to like wipe off, product off of my hand or something like that. Definitely not on my face and definitely not on my lips because the smell, I don't like the smell. Yeah, it's a fresh, fragrant type smell, but it's a little overpowering for me to be using for lip swatches or for me to be using on my face. Now, this baby right here, I don't think I've done an empties on this one though. So this is the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, and this is 8 ounces. It says it's for kinky, curly, wavy, and straight hair. Now, I will caution you, it smells good, but it smells really lemony, but it also smells like it can go under like your kitchen sink. I'm just saying. It smells like a cleansing agent as well, but it's not like a stinky cleansing agent. Like it has a nice little fragrance to it. But I used it all up and I was in the store and I was like, let me repurchase it. Let me stock up. But then I saw something by The Mane Choice. So I started using that in replacement of this to see if I like that. So I'm almost done with that bottle. So that's going to be empty soon. So I'll talk about that later, or maybe if I do an updated hair video or something like that. But I would definitely repurchase this, but just not right now. Oh, and I have some more wipes, guys. This is Clinique Pep Start Quick Cleansing Swipes. Oh, it's called Swipes. 50 of them come in here, and these aren't bad at all. I was using these for lip swatches and to remove makeup off my hands or whatever, but I will say they are not as moist as the e.l.f. wipes, so I would definitely pick my e.l.f. wipes over these. Although they're not bad. They're not bad, but I will not be buying any. I'm almost positive I have some more of these babies in here. Matter of fact, look, I do. Oh, and look at this. There's the contact solution I was telling y'all about. I told you I had a big bottle. I told y'all this stuff has been here for months. I ain't even lying. Like, it's time to get rid of the trash. Actually, you guys, there's quite a bit of new stuff in here. I'm kind of getting reacquainted and I'm like, oh. So this right here, these are like holy grails. You already know. In my skincare regimen, I totally talked about it. It's the Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser with salicylic acid, and it's for blemish treatment. It helps prevent breakouts for clear, even looking skin with soy extracts. Love, 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 heart, heart, heart. Skin regimen, playlist. All up in there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's probably some more up in that baby. These are the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Cleansing Cloths, and you get 20 in a package, and I believe they are $3 or $4. I usually pick mine up at Target when I'm in Target. And they're thebomb.com. They have totally replaced my MAC wipes, which I love oh so much. For the most part, I use wipes for lip swatch videos because I need something that is very, very moisturizing and is not gonna kill my lips. But I also use it to remove makeup where I make a mistake and I wanna start over, or if I wanna take product off my hands. So I use it for things like that too. But these are so close to the MAC wipes that I just absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, yes. So this right here is a hair product, and I use this, like, it's been gone for some months, but I'm just now getting a chance to talk about it. But it is for natural and texturized styles. It is curl activator gel. It defines curls, it moisturizes, and it controls frizz. It controls frizz. So this is so bomb. It is like $7 at your local Walgreens. However, since using this product, I have found another product that works just as well, because when I use this, I mix it with my Eco Styler gel. Well, I started using Aunt Jackie's, I think it's elongated flaxseed gel, and that right there is like a mixture of the two for me without me having to mix it myself. So I just kind of got lazy and have been buying that. So this is my Aveeno moisturizer. This is another item that I've been using since 2011. It is Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. It has an SPF of 15. It is clinically proven to even tone and texture. No, but I love this, and I've been using this ever since 2011. Now, another product that I've been loving and I've been using for years too is this Wine Girls Good. Just kidding. I don't drink. But this is the Napa Valley Naturals Grapeseed Oil. I talk about this stuff so much. I've been using it for a long time, but it's like a multi-purpose product because not only do I use it to remove my makeup, but I also use it as an exfoliant for my face. I use this along with brown sugar, and that's what I use to exfoliate my face. Now, the next item, I guess you can consider this like a health item, although this is another multi-purpose item, but this is apple cider vinegar with the mother. Word to your mother. Just kidding. This stuff I have been using for a while. Matter of fact, I used to use this way back in the day. Then I stopped. Then I started again. So I actually drink some every single day. It just kind of gets your life right. It gets you all together down on the inside and all that. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna go into details. I definitely do like a tablespoon with 8 ounces of water. You have to balance it out. You cannot just take this by itself. I mean, you can, but you should not because it's acidic and it can tear up your insides if it is not properly diluted. So make sure you do your research before you start using this product, but I definitely like it. Bam! This right here, Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Advanced Therapy for Cracked, Dry, or Irritated Skin. I use this on my lips. A lot of times on Snapchat, people are like, what you rocking on your lips? Girl, that's the good old Aquaphor. Whenever I don't have on lipstick or whenever I'm getting ready to go to bed, Aquaphor is like my ride or die. Telling you, it'll change your life. Next up, this is another item that I got from Target, but you can get it from wherever you want to get it from. You can even get it from the 99-cent store. It is hydrogen peroxide, and I've talked about this before, but I actually use it for teeth whitening. And I do other things to whiten my teeth, but this is kind of to help maintain it in between. All I do is I pretty much swish it around my mouth for, 30 to 60 seconds or so, and then I brush my teeth, and it just helps maintain the whiteness because y'all know I'm a coffee drinker. This is Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is in the fragrance lavender, or it has lavender in it. And it says it restores moisture, soothes skin, relaxes body with massage. Oh, I didn't know that, but you don't smell that good for me to be massaging my body. We're gonna keep you in the hair. I will definitely be repurchasing this again because I love this castor oil way more than the coconut. But all these foundations are gone. All of these are foundations that I absolutely love. This right here is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. So bomb. I have a whole review video on this right here. The next foundation is the CoverGirl Queen All Day Flawless Foundation. And I mean, it looks like it's a little bit in there, but I promise you, I can't get, look at that. I can't get it out at all. And so we're not about to go all MacGyver on the foundation. We're just gonna let it go, okay? Let it go. Anyway, this one, I have a video on this too. I tried it years ago and I didn't really like it because it was one of those foundations where you didn't have to set it with the powder. And that was kind of before my time back then. But then I tried it again a couple of years ago and I was like, girl, what was I tripping on? So I had to retract that whole opinion from way back when. And so I think I did a throwback video on this and I have a separate video on this, but this is bomb. This is one of the best drugstore foundations out there, along with Maybelline. And so here's another foundation. This right here is the Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer. And I'm a little like upset with myself because I really didn't go into the concealer part of it that much, but it's pretty stale. Like all the foundation is gone and I've had it for a couple of years now, so I'm just gonna let it go. But the concealer wasn't bad. I was just at a place in my life where I like liquid concealer, so I wasn't using this one as much. Yeah, I know, spoiled, right? Now, this is another awesome foundation. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation. I have a review video on this one too. It's a couple of years old, but nonetheless, I have one. But yeah, you're only supposed to keep it for 12 months, but thank the Lord I used it already. It looks like it's some in there, but I promise y'all, it's all gone. I have 3 concealers for you as well. Can you believe I actually finished some concealers? So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I don't know if y'all can see through that, but I totally can. But I use this to sculpt under my eyes. And I used to use this as like an under eye concealer, but then I got addicted to some other one, so I haven't really been using it for that. This, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Sephora Bright Future Serum Concealer, and this is in the shade Dulce de Leche, but y'all, I think, like I have a new one. I have purchased, I think I'm on my 3rd bottle, but they have changed the applicator in the new one. It is no longer like a round applicator like this one, and I think that they changed the shade a little bit. And I think that the coverage is not as heavy. Not that this was super heavy, but it definitely gave me more coverage than the new one I've been using. I still like it, but I just wish they would have left it alone. Now, they haven't announced that they actually made a change, but I feel like they did. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Camouflage Concealer. I just did a video of this comparing it to the new L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer, but this one is like, so far, this is like the best drugstore concealer out there for like $6 or $5 or whatever it is. It's really good. These are the toothpaste that I use. This is the only toothpaste that I use. It is Luster Premium White, Luster Now Instant Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. It says enamel safe, instant whitening. Now, I don't know about instant, but it definitely helps me keep my teeth in check. Let's talk about some smell good. This has got to be one of my most favorite fragrances of all times. I get so many compliments when I rock this perfume. It's just like we just go together. We fit together like a hand in the glove. No, I'm just kidding. But this right here is the Givenchy Haute Couture, or Haute Couture by Givenchy. So I have another hair product. This is Tancho. Girl, I could probably dig that out. But anyway, I had to buy another one. But this stuff is so good. This is how my edges stay laid. Gel, moisturizer, Tancho. That's the key right there. So I have some eyeliner. This is the Milani Stay Put liner. This is 17-hour wear, it says. This is in the shade Black. I really love this stuff. But what sucks though is that none of the drugstores that I've been in have had this. And then another one that I like that's a drugstore as well is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is, oh, and I meant to tell you, that one I used it all the way up. Like it's so dry, like it's not even working out anymore because I used it all. And the same thing with this one. It's totally dry, totally gone, but I would definitely repurchase it again. This right here is the Tartiste. So the reason that I did love this is because it was kind of like a gel liner, but in a bottle. So I really fell in love with that. But where our love started to get a little shaky was when it kind of busted on the side. So not only was it coming out the tube up at the top, but it was coming out on the side. So it began to dry out, and that's why I'm getting rid of it. And I don't know that I'll repurchase it again, because if that's gonna bust like that, it's like a waste of product and it's a waste of money. Now we're gonna move on to nail care products. Now I do my own nails once a week, but these products right here are like essential. So this is the Instant Cuticle Remover. It's it basically dissolves the dead cuticles. So I actually push it back a little bit, and then I put the remover on there and it removes everything, and then I just wash my hands and then all is well. Like I don't have to, you know how when you go to the nail shop and they pluck away all your dead skin and all that, the cuticle? I don't do that because I use this. And this right here is basically a nail strengthener, aka base coat, and it's by Nail Envy. And yeah, it just says nail strengthener, and this is just the bomb, and I always re-up on this. And finally, this is the best ever. It's by Soap & Glory. It is their Smoothie Star. It is lightly whipped body butter cream, and I am reading everything on here because it is that good. It says intensive 5 oil, super nourishing formula with vanilla and coconut, pistachio, almond, and sweet vanilla fragrance. Amazing on dry legs. Oh, what's that warning, girl? What's that warning? Wait a minute. It says we are legally obliged to remind you that this is not a food. No, seriously, because it totally smells like it's edible. But these are my empties. If you guys want me to continue doing empties, let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I totally appreciate you guys. So you guys have an awesome, blessed day, and I will see you sooner than you think. Bye.
Seeky beauty, confidence is key. You know what I mean. A woman feels good when she's looking pretty. I don't need no Benz, Lexus, or a Range Rover. Just give your girl a bomb Seeky Beauty makeover. Confidence is key, ladies, you know what I mean. Or maybe her eyeshadow and mascara will help you see. Check out her foundation and the blush on her cheek. Yeah, we ain't playing games, it's the Seeky Beauty. Yeah, Seeky Beauty.